So in this first example that we're going to do, we're going to take a look at the equation for momentum, and then we're going to do our example, finding the momentum. So, drum roll, to find the momentum, you take the mass and you multiply it by the volume. And remember, momentum is a lowercase p, so that's why it looks like this, so it's kind of lined up with the equal sign there. And mass times velocity, that little dot right there, tells us that we're going to be multiplying those. And our example says that Sasha is riding a lawnmower with a velocity of plus 12. There's that direction right there. I'm going to highlight it for you. That plus tells us that we're going in the positive direction. Sasha and the lawnmower have a combined mass of 280 kilograms. What is the momentum of Sasha and the lawnmower? Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking for. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down the equation. Now remember that that is an entire point right there. Okay, just to write down the equation without anything in it is a whole point. Now, what we're going to do is put the numbers in. So what are we going to do with those numbers? We're going to be multiplying those numbers. So we're going to write down, we're going to multiply those numbers. Now, I've included the plus here. That might look a little bit confusing. The plus is just the direction. So I'm not multiplying and adding it. I'm just multiplying it. The plus is just the direction. So you're going to want to be really careful with that. If that plus being there confuses you, leave the plus off until the end. That is okay to do. Just make sure you put it back on there because that plus is necessary. It's the direction, okay? So I'm going to be taking 280 kilograms and I'm going to be multiplying it by 12. I'm just multiplying by the 12 meters per second, okay? So when I do that, 280 times 12 gives me 3,360. I kept the plus because the plus is my direction, so the plus is still there. Okay, I have to keep that plus for the direction. The kilogram meters per second is my unit. So there it is on my answer. So this right here was the work that I did. That's 1. And here is my point right here. These are actually going to be worth a whole point altogether, I think. I don't remember how the points work out on these on the tests. But I know the direction is necessary, that you're going to end up having to have the direction. I don't remember how that worked out, but the units are necessary, the number is necessary, and the direction is necessary, and they all have point values in there somewhere, okay? So make sure that you get all of those, okay? We'll see this again in some of the other examples as well.